So Will, I've been doing this 15 years and finally I get to see Batman and Robin take on Spider-Man. I never thought I'd be saying that.
Yeah, I don't know what to say, to be honest. It seems to be a bit of free fall, doesn't it? And there are some very good punches being thrown by Spider-Man. I'm quite impressed by the punches.
Yes, nice low kicks as well from Spider-Man coming in here. 2 against 1. Batman and Robin teaming up on Spider-Man, looking to come through. And nice mobility from Spider-Man. I mean, I noticed he was at a disadvantage initially because he didn't have his web shooters. He wasn't allowed those, which I think is a bit unfair given the circumstances that he's against 2 of them.
He can take one of them out or use one of them as a shield. They can't both fight them at once. I think he's doing very well. He's damaging one of them, which is a
Robin
good
took
idea.
a big knee there, Will.
Yeah.
And he's feeling really hurt there, you can see.
And he was also doing a quite good street technique. He's injured one of them.
Superman
here we go.
Which is ironic seeing the Spider-Man from Marvel comics. That was a Superman punch on Batman.
Oh, brilliant. I enjoyed that.
And Robin doesn't want any more. Robin's off. He's gone. He's had enough.
Yeah.
He's alright.
The boy wonder must be wondering why he got in there in the first place.
Yeah.
So Batman against Spider-Man.
Yeah, my money's on Spider-Man every time.
Batman showing great endurance and dedication, as you'd expect from a crime fighter.
Yeah, I think he'd make a very good punch bag.
Spider-Man very confident. Robin has been taken out in the first round with a very good knee.
Yeah, if you take one of them out very quickly, it is a game changer. Here we go, look, here we go. Lots of acrobatics. Spider-Man's throwing some good jabs.
Yeah, some nice low kicks as well. Of the comics, Marvel definitely coming out on top over DC in this one.
Oh, without a doubt. And although it looks colourful, it does look a bit comic-ish, to say the least.
And it's all over, and I think
Spider-Man's got to be the winner, isn't he?